Here, pajama.
Guys, I'm not coming from that. Aquaran or biscuit here. So, I'm going to cook egusi or onubu. So Amarama will choose the one, but I'm going to still cook the meat this night. Then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna cook for our Reverend Father, you know.
Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger. This Italy. We are making lunch. We are cooking lunch.
No, we are cooking our lunch. Hey guys, so I have spaghetti with ragu di salsiccia. How you think? Oh.
We love Italian food so much, so much.
Guys, who made the Italian food lately? Like I prefer Italian food than Nigerian food. So that is it. Spaghetti. Voila. Let's share.
Centro di Modena. Christmas shopping. So guys, this is a 5 o'clock. Can you see the weather? Everywhere is black. So I'm here to buy. Sorry for the noise. So let me start shopping small. So that is it. So guys, I'm going to buy my iPhone microphone. So here, pajama. So guys, I'm done. Que beleza. It's ready.
Guys, my turkey is ready. My pepper turkey. My tomato, my munti, you know. I see current tomato because that is just about it. And I'm so guys, I'm making the jollof rice with turkey pepper for my children. Manoni and I go the turkey like can you also know ye for more butter. So guys, I said now that did also butter. Can you tomato? You know, because what I mean is that daddy just came back now. I don't have my tomato is finished, so Daddy bought tomato. Munti. This is one carton over here. So no time to start steaming it. And over here, Daddy bought also honey, bought also meat. Let me fish. Assorted, shaki, more. Because I'm going to cook. I don't even know the chicken. I have fresh chicken, but I want to use garlic. Fresh chicken. When the video come white glass, this horse. Yes. I want to cook maybe a goosey soup. What is this one again? A goosey soup. Okay. Aquaram can I different up here. Guys, more coming from aquaram or biscuit. So I'm going to cook egusi or onubu. So Amarama will choose the one, but I'm going to still cook the meat this night. Then tomorrow morning I'm gonna cook for our Reverend Father, So that is it, soup for our Reverend Father. So continue watching. Jollof rice is for my children. It's almost ready because Chineda and then they will soon come back from school. They will soon come back. Hey. NJ are back. Okay, NJ is back. She mentioned it, So our lunch is jollof rice. Continue watching. So guys, as you can see, I'm using my microphone. Okay. Last year I bought microphone. I haven't used it. Then when I wanted to use it, I discovered that it's not working with my iPhone. I'm using my iPhone to vlog, YouTube vlog, So I bought another one, this new one. So let's try. I don't even know how my voice. And then I've tried it. I don't even like her voice on it. So let me see how my voice will be on it. If it's okay, I will continue using it because I'm not used to, So that is it. My jollof rice is cooking. So let me cover. We are doing testing microphone. Testing microphone. I wonder what's like a morning in the sky, like a morning in the sky. So guys, our pack is just arriving. This is the first one. This one is mine. ONJ's own. It just arrived, it's still on the way. Christmas shopping. Okay, continue watching. So guys, our food is ready. This one is for baby Alex. Can you guys hear me very well? Is my voice clear? Wahala. All these things, even in a book, all no, Mamma mia. I made the jollof rice is very soft because my children, they love it very soft. Oni will not like it, but since it's pepper on it, he like it. But he don't like soft rice. So that is it. Thanks for watching till now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.